What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. Super excited about this video, okay? For those of y'all who do not know, I'm like into nails. Like, can you not tell by that video right there? Anyway, so I want to start doing my nails at home and potentially become a nail tech maybe. So I went ahead and invested in some nail stuff. So I am going to be showing y'all like my little nail tech beginner haul or whatever. So I don't want this video to be too long. There is two things that are missing because this is just the stuff that I bought right now. I am going to show y'all some things that I already had, but this is all the stuff that I bought, and there is two things that are missing, but I will talk about that later on. Okay, so now I do want to, y'all, I have like a piece of hair stuck on my lip. It's gonna like drive me crazy. So the things that I already have cuticle pushers. I already have like a nail clipper, and I already have cuticle oil, okay? Oh, and a brush. So I'm actually going to use this Haku Hodo brush. I actually hate this brush for the face because it just like sheds like crazy, but on the nails it works perfectly. So I'm glad that I kept this $80 brush so I can use it for something. But so that's what I already have, and these are the things that I picked up. So first I picked up this dampening dish, okay, and it's just a porcelain dampening dish. I got it from Amazon. Of course, I will leave links to everything down below, but I got this dampening dish from Amazon, okay? I wanted something that could close. That was super important. That's Angel right there, y'all, in case y'all can hear him. I know y'all can hear him. That's Angel. I'm a full-time mother. What can I say? So next, I have this edge clippers. Okay, I got these from Amazon. I think I paid $4.99 for these two. Need that, girl. Okay. Next, I have some nail glue, and it says EC Basket by Nail Gaga. It's like 10 little like nail glues. Got these. Gonna need some nail glue, girl. Okay, so next I have the OK Coin Protein Bond and Natural Nail Dehydrant. So believe it or not, this is actually really hard to get. I was going to get the Model 1's version of this, but they wouldn't ship to APO. Like a lot of the stuff when it comes to nails will not ship to APO. Like trying to get monomer and stuff shipped to an APO address. Okay, you're gonna have to do it another way and get your people to like mail it to you or something, because they ain't really shipping to us, girl. So be mindful of that. So here I got the there we go, the Macart nails, and I actually thought it came with like a little nail case. It did not, so I will go ahead and purchase a nail case. But here are these, and they are like square nails, and it's 500 of those in there. Next, I got these little, like, I don't even know what you call them. Is there a name for them? It says reusable keepers, but they're like things that you like put over the nail. You can use to soak off gel nail polish. I got some nail files, and actually I got these locally from a store called Joyful Honda. So my little nail files, and I got a 3-pack of them. Next, I got these barrel smooth top like carbine bits for the nail drill, and these are Macart 2, and I got 3 of them in coarse, medium, and fine. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see that. It's kind of shiny, but it's bits, nail like drill bits. Then I got these nail art sanding bands, and everything, if I don't say the name of it, I got it from Amazon. The things that I did not get from Amazon, I'll be specific about where I got them from. Everything else, Amazon. So I got this nail art sanding bands, and there's 3 different kinds. There's brown ones, which is an 80 grit. The zebra ones are 150 grit, and the black are 250 grit. And it actually comes with a bit itself. Oh, the bit for the bands. So, yeah. So we got that. Oh, one of the boxes fell. Next I got some like some art scissors. Okay, if you watch any nail videos, everybody says get you a little pair of art scissors. So I got some of these, and I did get these locally at Joyful Honda. That's why it has Japanese writing on it. Next I got some cuticle nippers. Okay, I actually got these locally as well from Joyful Honda. I don't know if y'all can see it, but these are like the craft scissors, and then this is like my cuticle clipper. There we go. So we got that. Then I got some more drill bits, and this is like a cuticle set bit. It's called the Rushing Manicure Nail Drill Bit 5-piece. I got these from Amazon as well. It had like 2 cuticle bits in there that I would definitely be using, and it came in a pack of 5, so I was like, why not, you know? Next I got the Melody Susie Scamander rechargeable nail drill. Okay, and this is what it looks like. I will sit it to the side. I'll go ahead and open it up for y'all just so y'all can see. Then I have the Naility acrylic monomer. I did get this locally from Joyful Honda because I could not get this shipped straight to me, so I got it locally. I was able to find it at Joyful Honda. And I also got the Naility Kolinsky Sculptor Brush Oval, and the number is 10. It's a little gold one, and it comes with a little top. And I got this locally at Joyful Honda because trying to get, I don't know, it's like something about the Kolinsky brush hairs, like trying to get it sent here, girl, no. So locally. Okay, then I got the Not Polish Gloss It UV LED top coat from Not Polish. And I also got 3 acrylic powders from Not Polish. I got the color Clear, which is this one. Okay, and these are like pretty big. I don't know why I thought they were gonna be smaller, but these are pretty big. I got Clear, I got Nude Panther, and I got Milky White. So these are the 3 acrylics that I got to work with and practice. And again, these are from Not Polish. Again, I will leave links to everything down below. Now, I will go ahead and open up the Melody Susie nail drill, but I do want to say real quick, the 2 things that I do not have in front of me, I actually have to go pick them both up tomorrow from the post office because I would it was closed by the time I got the email today. But it is the first thing is the red iguana like posable hand. I will leave a picture somewhere here, but it's the red iguana posable hand. Now it is really expensive. However, I do think if you are trying to practice on doing nails, doing acrylic nails, and so on and so forth, I think it's a very, very good investment. There also is a cheaper alternative on Amazon. I will leave a link to that down below. And the second thing that I do not have that I have to go pick up tomorrow is like the lint-free wipes. So like the lint-free nail wipes, and I will leave a link for that as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this Melody Susie nail drill. Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I wanted to go out and get like the Kiara Sky nail drill, speaking of, and of course I still have my Gelin UV light. Yeah, my Gelin UV light for gel nail polish still kicking and still going strong. So we're gonna use that to practice. But anyway, like I was saying, I wanted to go all out and just get the Kiara Sky nail drill because I was like, look, I might as well invest. But I was like, you know what, we're gonna get something reasonable first. Practice, see if I can get it, see if I like what I'm doing, and then if I start taking it seriously or something like that and I want to start doing other people's nails, well then I'll invest in that. But until then, we're gonna work with this one because this one isn't that expensive. So it says enjoy 20% off your nail drill accessory. So you got a little coupon, and then there's the user manual here. And then when you open the box up, y'all know I don't do a lot of unboxings. I'm gonna have to get like a C-stand so y'all can see better. But when you open it up, we have the nail drill here. Feels nice. I don't know what a nail drill is supposed to feel like, guys, but nail drill here. And then there's two little boxes. And in the smaller box, let's see what we got. Okay, in the smaller box, we have the actual like pencil, like the nail drill pencil thing. It got some weight to it too. So we have this in one part. And then in the other part, we have a little stand for like the nail, like pencil like part to go on. I'm sure it's not called a pencil. I'm inexperienced. Don't come for me. You have the charger, and then it actually came with a few bits of its own. So yeah, that's everything. Let me know down below if y'all would like for me to show y'all some of my practice videos while we on quarantine and whatnot, or not. Oh, also it came with this like goes on side of the drill like that, so you can scoop, like put that in there like that, so you can like have it on your hip like a pager. But yeah, that's everything. I'm really super excited to learn, to practice, to get this down pat. So yay for me. Comment down below, let me know if y'all would like for me to like do some nail videos for y'all, show y'all my practice or whatever. Like I said, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, girl. Stop playing. Stop playing with me. It's free. It ain't gonna kill you, okay? Make sure you go follow me on Instagram at angelleslife. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.